In Delhi's Vasant Kunj, in the Jai Hind Bengali colony, Bangla-speaking migrants are daily threatened with evictions and demolitions. Bangla-speaking migrant workers in Delhi and Gurgaon have found it particularly difficult since the local police brand them as Bangladeshi when they are bona fide citizens of this country with all identity papers. Women make up almost half of urban migrants. Behind this statistic lies many harrowing stories, sir. 5 months ago, on June 21st, Sonali Khatun, a 26-year-old heavily pregnant migrant worker in Delhi, was picked up along with her family by the Delhi police and deported to Bangladesh with her family, including her 8-year-old son. Another Bangla-speaking migrant worker in Delhi, 32-year-old single mother Sweetie Baby, and her family were also picked up by the Delhi police and sent to Bangladesh. It required the intervention of the Honorable Supreme Court, and before that the Calcutta High Court, the relentless efforts of the Bengal government and the relentless effort of my Rajya Sabha colleague here, Shri Shamirul Islam, for Sonali Khatun and her 8-year-old son to finally return to India and go home to her family in Birbhum in Bengal. The Calcutta High Court commented on the deportation of these migrant workers by saying, what is the hot haste of the Delhi police and union government in their proceedings against Sonali, deporting her without a fair hearing or adequate inquiry? An MHA memo of May 2025 says this kind of immediate deportation is only allowed in emergent circumstances and only after proper inquiry, which the court said was conspicuously absent. Why this desire to deport Sonali Khatun and Sweetie Bibi without due process? Is it simply because of a political motive to call Bangla-speaking people infiltrators and Ghuspetia? Is there a political motive in the manner in which the hot haste with which these